On a 2009 Mini Cooper S. Car came in barely running. It has misfires register, faults for misfires register on every cylinder. No other faults stored. You could hear kind of a hissing off the back of the motor. So there was no mixture faults or anything else. The only thing stored was misfire faults. So what it ends up, what the problem with this is, this breather hose goes from the valve cover down to the oil separator. Right here, you can kind of see it from the top if you follow it down. The end of it's broken and split. So that's the crankcase on this thing is a light vacuum applied with from the intake manifold, and yeah, so when that's removed, the car runs bad. So I just have to replace this hose. Goes down here. You can do it all from the top with the air box out of the way, and should be good to go. So just something to look for on these minis. Thanks.